The conversation around Nothing OS 4 has intensified after designer Slava Kornilov shared his vision across Dribbble and X. His concept isn't a loud redesign meant to shock, but rather a careful rethinking of how software should feel. He approaches it with muted tones, minimal layouts, and a sense of balance that stands in stark contrast to the crowded, overstimulated interfaces we see elsewhere. It's subtle, yes, but also deliberate, an attempt to show that less can often mean more. Kornilov's take on the operating system highlights something many companies overlook. Software is not just a collection of menus and icons, it's an environment people spend hours navigating every single day. If that environment is chaotic, users feel it. If it's calm and well-structured, users notice that too. His design flows smoothly, leaving space for the eye to rest while maintaining clarity of information. Animations are not flashy distractions, but controlled movements that add rhythm to the experience. This is the kind of refinement that changes how technology is perceived, not by adding features, but by making interaction more natural. The idea of a calm OS feels especially relevant in 2025, where most tech companies fight to pack more notifications, widgets, and visuals into already saturated screens. Kornilov instead proposes the opposite: restraint. His concept embraces quiet sophistication, proving that minimalism can still be expressive when executed with precision. The muted palette and balanced proportions in his mock-ups push the message that good design is about harmony, not excess. It's a lesson both users and brands should pay attention to, but we should be realistic. Concepts like this don't face deadlines, hardware restrictions, or cost limitations. They live in a space where imagination leads and compromise doesn't exist. That doesn't make them less valuable. In fact, it makes them essential. They serve as a reminder to companies of what could be possible if creativity drives decision-making rather than marketing trends. Nothing may not replicate Kornilov's work exactly, but if it absorbs even the spirit of this approach, it could set its software apart from the rest of the industry. For Nothing, a company already positioned as a disruptor with its transparent hardware and bold branding, this kind of design language fits perfectly. It strengthens the narrative that Nothing isn't just building devices, it's creating an experience. If OS 4 reflects even part of Kornilov's clarity and restraint, the company could establish itself as a rare brand that values user well-being as much as functionality. That would give it an edge in an industry where updates often feel repetitive and uninspired. As for what to expect, Nothing OS 4 is projected to arrive in 2025. Likely alongside the brand's next major smartphone release. The update itself should be free for existing users, continuing the company's strategy of refining its ecosystem without extra costs. Whether or not the final product matches Kornilov's vision, the conversation it sparks is clear. Software design must move beyond clutter and find its strength in simplicity.